Okay friends, this is all she wrote for this little log that I was cutting up there. Really nice wood in terms of grain pattern. Really nice to cut. I mean, this stuff here just cut beautifully. What I don't know, and this is where the mystery comes in, is exactly what kind of wood it is. Bark didn't really look like oak, so, you know, I don't know. Maybe it's a cherry or something that we saved. I'm just not that familiar with cherry, so I don't know if I know what the grain pattern looks like in it. I tell you what, I'll give you a shot of it before I sign off here, and then you can comment or whatever and tell me what you think it is. You know, it's not a big special thing, but maybe I'll make something out of it someday. You know, maybe a little table for my shop or something. I need to make a great roll-around table. It's not going to make fine furniture with the rot in it, but it would certainly make a shop table or something like that. Okay, let me give you the shot. So check this out. This is what the grain looks like. I don't know if that's visible on camera very well. Sometimes, you know, I can see here pretty well, but then what you see on camera is just not that great. You can see there's kind of some whitish punkiness there, and up here we have the, you know, spalting, otherwise known as rot. Little knot here is kind of cool. That would really stand out nice. So far I've just been milling up these little logs to, well, one, kind of get rid of them, but two, kind of prove out the sawmill, because I do have a bigger log that I'm going to tackle one of these days. All right, so that is what it is. Fun little project. Glad you could join me, and hopefully you come back again real soon. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.